He said, yo, 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 this your boy Joe Chicago, Joe boy. I'm finna do that. Your wife was sucking mean dick and I got your wife last night in the back with me. She pimped and made my money. Dude, why you do that to my wife, man? I'm a white guy. Yo, money, you ain't in the biz like a real man. A real man would take his wife and spread it to the hoes. Drop off like domino. She wanna spread the community, set that bitch out. Dude, I don't want you to sex my wife anymore, man. What's going on? I don't like that. I'm gonna kill myself. Where you gonna kill? Boom. Yo, I'm not finna get your wife and make her pregnant. Whatever. I'm not finna deal with any black ass no more. Whatever. I suck this dick because he give me money, take me shopping. Whatever. Because you black guys are so aggressive in bed. Whatever. I can't stand them guys anymore. My husband was a punk. I took him out of his mom's house. Whatever. My name is Becky. And I'm not finna do that anymore. I'm finna run to a black woman. And we don't get married. Whatever. This your boy Chicago Joe. I'm up.